Hi guys, welcome to the channel. We had a pretty successful night last night with those levels I gave out. What I will do before I give out today's levels, I will go over last night's levels. So the first one we had that I got straight away was Neo. And if you remember yesterday, if you want to go back and have a look at yesterday's video, I said I'll be shorting this at around 1560 if it gets up there. So got up there, pinged it beautifully, and within the first couple of minutes, I got about a 3 or 4% drop. I got out right on this pivot low here, and then it bounced back up again. The second one was VRT, and if we have a look at the level I gave you yesterday, this was pinpoint accuracy. I said it yesterday, and I said in yesterday's video, 223.87. It's dropped right down into that level there, 223.87, and that was another good trade for a day trade. That's a pretty good day trade. I got out here at around 232. I think I got just around 4% on that trade. So that was two good trades. KL, this is still in play. If we got down to 160 today, I'd take a long position there. PayPal still in play. I'm not sure if it'll get up there today, but if that got anywhere up to around 60 bucks, I'll be definitely looking at that for a short, for a day trade. I only take day trades. I don't hold anything overnight. This one's out, and I'll tell you why this one's out, because it's already breached that level. It breached it in the aftermarket. We did get a bounce. I didn't trade that last night. This one here got close to me level there, 30 bucks. Didn't quite hit it. It was in the aftermarket anyway. So what I'll be looking at tonight, or in the morning session, is going to be Meta. Microsoft, they had earnings last night, and Chipotle. So I'll just go over the charts here. The first one I'm going to be looking at is going to be Meta. Now, this is a really good level on Meta. If we flush down the start of the morning and we 500, I'll be taking that for a long position. I'll be willing to add to this position. So my first level will be 500, 477, and 447. So let's see how this one plays out. They're my levels. The next one is Microsoft. I'll be looking to short Microsoft if it gets up to 435.65. But if it gets there pre-market, I wouldn't touch it unless it got all the way up to around 458, which is it's a pretty big move. We'll see how we go, but it's a game of patience. If we get it. The next one is ARM, or I'll be taking this anywhere around 200. So we got close. I think we got close there last night. Obviously, dropped a bit on earnings. And the next one is going to be Chipotle. So this one, I've been having a really good look at this chart today. It's a pretty fascinating chart. You can see on the larger time frame, we had a head and shoulder pattern there, played out. Then we had an inverse head and shoulder pattern. And that's why we've got to be a little bit careful on this one, because if we break up above there, this thing could really run. I'll be taking a short on this at around 38.10. And like always, we'll be watching the SMH, and we'll also be watching the Spider and the Qs. I've got these levels. This is the level that I give out yesterday. So it's banged off that. And I think the Spider, I think it pinged it too pretty nicely there. So we're getting the levels. We've had two winning trades last night, two good winning trades, each around about 4%. So that's pretty good. See how we go tonight. If they hit the levels, they hit the levels. They don't hit the levels, no trade. It's a game of patience. Have a good one. Not financial advice, entertainment purpose only. If you like to give me a like and subscribe, I appreciate it. And eventually, hopefully next week, I'll be doing live trading, so you can watch me trade live. Have a good one, guys.